Welcome to Pravashi Potpourri. It's all about stories, adda, and vibes. This is a new podcast channel, but it's going to get you a whole lot more than you probably are even expecting. What a better way to start the launch episode with this dynamic couple that I have known for years. Not just a dynamic couple, not just an entrepreneur couple, but amazing and beautiful human being that I know of for the last 1 decade. So I want you all to know about their journey, how they have not just been cooking the recipes, but also dreams in the F&B industry. So let me welcome Ruchi and Anant Narayan. Okay, so welcome to the podcast channel. I know you must be wondering what is Probashi Potpourri. Honestly speaking, Probashi is all about a cosmopolitan Bengali, and that's me. Okay, so that's why it's called Probashi. So when you meet a Bengali who's not been born and brought up in Kolkata, but the roots are there, they are known as Probashis. So I want this episode not for them, but by me. So it's yes. So I'm bringing a lot of stories, Adda vibes across the city for all the people that I know of. I've been doing some amazing work. So coming to both of you, not just a dynamic couple, but I think you've been very successful too as to what journey I've seen in the last 1 decade. And I want all of our viewers to know exactly how this has started. So, Anant, I'll have a question for you first, and then I'll move to the beautiful lady. Uh, did this F&B happen by chance, or there was a time when you thought about getting into F&B? How was it? I really want to know. Honestly, I don't know about it.
Okay. Firstly, absolutely happy to be on your show.
Thank you so much.
Whatever you did say about us, into infinite,
Oh.
we say about you.
I think it's mutual.
You are an
Always been mutual.
ebullient person, wonderful person,
Thank you so
a
much.
good human, wonderful person.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Yes, I need those blessings and wishes.
I should say congrats.
Thank
you don't
you
need
so
wishes.
much. And I
You'll
think
rock and you'll super rock.
it'll happen because वो कहते हैं ना कि आपके कदम पड़े. You my like lucky charm, and I always wanted to start this only with you guys.
We're so delighted to be your first guest for this
Yeah,
podcast.
I don't know how delighted I am.
And you are one of our favorite humans, you know that. And your energy, your enthusiasm is just...
And just imagine what a better birthday gift could have been for me.
Yes.
So today is my birthday, October 20th, and look at what we're launching.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Birthday gift for me, my podcast channel with Ruchi and Anand.
Amazing.
Yes, so
Coming back to the question, in life, some accidents, some incidents happen, some for good, some for bad. In fact, I started in 1999. I didn't know what whiskey was. I didn't know the difference between vodka and gin.
Oh wow.
I was a complete teetotaler.
Okay.
But it was a good incident, good accident. The way I met my gorgeous wife.
Absolutely.
2 good incidents in my life, 1999, and the day I met her.
Absolutely.
I can never forget.
Absolutely.
And sometimes some incidents or some accidents give you a lot of happiness, joy, and purpose of life.
Yeah.
So probably this one, not probably, this one, I'm into multi-business, but my heart, my soul, all of it is into this business because it's a passion. When we see people happy, it makes us so much happier.
Right.
That the drink, the clink, the food, the dine, the happiness of a comedy club or
Yes.
people letting their hair down,
Yeah.
it gives us so much joy.
Right.
Probably that's why we love this business so much.
Amazing.
And from 1999, it's been a roller coaster ride.
But there's no looking back.
No looking back. No looking back.
Yeah. So Ruchi, having met a person like Anant, who's I mean, I'm sure both of you are equally lucky and happy. And God bless you and touch wood. I always see the happiness in you, and I always say, wow. There's so much of hope in life that people have. So coming to the kind of business that he is in, so what is it something that you had ever thought of that you will get into along with him, and or was it that it just happened because I don't know, very
never
few
thought
couples do the same thing together.
Probably F&B was the last thing
Last
I
thing.
would have thought of. But
See?
yes, when we met, his dreams became mine. I don't
Wow.
know how, but
How?
yes,
Yeah.
I think that's love is.
Yes.
And me being a social butterfly, I started enjoying this
Yeah.
when he said, "Okay, come, let's do it together." So he was always a nightclub person. So when we met, he said, "Okay, let's venture into restaurant as well because ultimately nightclubs were not doing very well.
Right. Right.
There was a time when it was very good, and then there was a decline.
There was a decline.
Yeah. So he
Shelf
said,
life
"Okay."
was low in nightclub.
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, luckily, for us, it's still going on very well, our nightlife. But he said, okay, let's venture restaurant. Let's see how it goes because I like to cook.
Yeah.
I love cooking.
Tell
It's
me
like
about it.
it's like a therapy for me.
Yeah, same, my
yeah. So he
goodness.
said you have some knowledge of food.
Right, I know.
So
That adds value to the business that
yes,
you are. yeah?
absolutely. He said, I don't have any knowledge. I have knowledge about accounts. I am good at this, at that, but not at food. So let's do it. I said, okay. And then my interest started building. And when I saw that, we have created a vibe, we have got people together, the culture, it's a cult now.
Yeah,
When we see the smiles, when we see people going happy, they're coming to me and saying, "You are the owner. We love the place." It makes us happy.
Right.
So then, I started enjoying the process, and now I'm fully.
And I'm so happy because this is one place. See, I'm not a very okay. Now I'm a teetotaler, for that matter, but I love the vibe there. No matter what I'm doing there, I don't know. I just get that vibe, and I have actually pushed everyone. If you need a good time, enjoy and be yourself, just go to Just Be Allowed.
I know. It's like a one-shop stop.
Absolutely.
You want to
everything.
eat. So we don't focus only on food or cuisine.
Yes.
We focus on a culture. We have built a culture.
That is amazing.
The artists,
Yeah.
the singers,
And
the
the community.
performers,
It's
the
like a community
community.
right
Yes.
now. Yeah.
My singers, my team, my
Oh,
guests,
yes.
we all are a family now.
Amazing. So, Anant, coming back to, of course, now that I know, I have an idea that this is what your thing. Do you have any particular vision going forward? Like, have you thought about something different? Or are you, I'm sure.
Always.
I'm sure. I can see that in her more, but
He being
whoever
a
wants to
Sagittarius,
answer.
he just wants change. Every 6 months you will see some change in Just Be Allowed. You will see some or the other change. So that's one very good thing about him.
That is good.
He wants change. I'm sure his
So
vision
what is that vision? Yeah, I want to know what now next,
Okay, coming back to your question. Ever since my better half came into my life, the restaurant or F&B, what we've been doing is only getting better and better.
Right.
No second word about it.
Right.
Now, finally, after 26 years of F&B, I did realize that today, if you look at it, the closures of newbies coming into the trade in 1 year is almost 80-90%. If somebody survives for 5 years, the survival rate goes up. But that 5 years is also a very small percentage.
Yeah.
So basically what I felt and she feels, we echo this. This industry has given us so much joy, so much money, so many good friends around, so many nice people. It's time to give back something to the industry too. To the customers, to the industry.
Okay.
So, Ek Maar Do Tukda, we did come up with, I have experimented on almost 200 plus gadgets.
Oh.
AI, robotics, automation.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Oh my God, that is
What you saw
different
was
level.
10% of what it is.
Okay,
and he's
Almost-
always ahead of time.
I'm sure.
No, see, customers are
Very
the ones.
innovative. Very innovative.
Customers are the ones who feed us.
Yeah.
So it's they are the God. I tell my people, my employees, my team, they feed us. We have to put our best step forward. With AI, advent of automation, robotics, chat GPT, this DeepSeek, whatever, our industry is still in chula chakka stage. To be honest, it's very primitive.
Right.
This is one reason why many are collapsing. Because you're not able to give a customer what he wants.
Yeah.
You go to a pub, you go to a restaurant, what you have a drink or a snack or a food once, the second time it won't be the same. Plus with that, the experience is never the same.
Yeah.
So last 4 years, 5 years, I stopped expansion. I have gone into only machines which can help a human perform better.
All right.
For example, you like a certain waiter. They come and speak to you warmly.
Yes.
They are affectionate. They are friendly. The first touch point, you'll feel nice. Next time you go, that waiter might not be there.
Yeah.
So the experience might be different.
Yes.
So, for example, if I can talk about a gadget which can standardize this,
All right.
we have something called Kavach neckband.
Okay.
It is a AI bot
Okay.
which keeps recording whatever a waiter or a hostess talks to a customer.
Okay.
Back end, it puts the data on the server.
Okay.
We define what a waiter should speak, what he's spoken, it comes, and what he's not supposed to speak, a compliance and a variance report comes in percentage. With that, it talks about the tone also. We have linked this with their service charge or incentive. So you don't have to push a waiter.
Right.
Today Tommy, tomorrow Sally, day after Hardy. But the experience remains same.
Experience remains the same. Wow.
So like this, there are almost 60 gadgets running at my place.
Wow. Oh, so I actually haven't seen any then. Yeah? I've just barely seen anything.
My vision definitely using the gadgets in the back end.
Okay. To make it, probably you're looking at more efficiency because, see, that's what people say.
Consistency.
The difference between effectiveness and efficiency comes from here. You know, people always talk about effectiveness, but I think efficiency is another level because when they're efficient, then you start measuring in terms of effectiveness, right?
See, another factor is that today mobile is your guru.
Right.
From
Any-
Timbuktu to Chicago to anywhere,
Sab kuch.
you see what's happening.
Yes.
So last 2-3 years, we don't have local customers. We have customers who are global
Yeah.
because they know
In
everything.
Brigade Road,
Yeah.
we
Mane-
have a lot of global customers.
No, not just that. When mobile is your teacher, you know what's happening in Ibiza. You know what's happening in
Yeah,
Tomorrowland.
that's true.
So they expect the world of us.
Okay.
So on one hand,
now got it.
a customer is a very learned customer. You can't make a fool of him.
Now, they're very smart.
Correct.
They're
Yeah.
very
On
smart.
the other hand, you have Gen Z, where this consistency, repetitive work, they don't like.
They don't like.
So Gen Z they like gadgets,
Yeah.
and customer a wow feel and a consistent feel machine gives.
Yeah.
So combining these two, we are trying to do something which will revolutionize F&B.
Best of the
That-
two worlds, right?
That
Oh.
90% shutdown should become zero.
And I wish you all the luck. I'm sure. I mean, I see this like eternity, just BLR eternity. Yeah. So and that will happen with one thing that I always believe in, and I've said this many a times before, not just in front of you but behind you and to others, is that when I see people working in a particular place, it could be a home or it could be an office or it could be a business place. If I've seen consistently some people, the known faces, regular faces, I always have this feeling, if this person is here, it speaks volumes about the employer. Because कहते हैं ना, जहाँ प्यार है वो पैसे के लिए नहीं, वो प्यार का भूखा पहले है. So I feel that is something I've seen in both of you. The people are there, they are so happy to be a part of your workplace, and this is something.
It's like many guests have told me,
Hai na?
we see the happiness in the
Yes.
employees.
And it's a fact, Ruchi. It's nothing that I'm saying because you're with me today. It's something which I've always mentioned everywhere, that it speaks a lot about the employer. Because हम लोग क्यों ऐसे बोलते हैं कि why is there attrition? Why are people leaving? It's not for money. They leave because they're not happy. But जहाँ happiness है ना, वहाँ you are okay to let go of many other things because you are happy. ये घर जाओ peaceful sleep है because I'm very happy getting up in the morning. I'm looking forward to the work and not that काम पे जाना है, पैसे कमाने हैं, कुछ भी है, जाना ही पड़ेगा.
F&B is something, they're always standing. It's a tough
Hard work.
It's a hard work. Yeah.
So whatever machines we speak of, I give complete credit to my wife. The front end part of training, that affection, that love.
Yeah.
In fact, they call her the mother of JSPL.
I know. अरे the other day somebody मैंने कुछ order किया था नींबू पानी or something. So they said मैम कुछ खाओगे आप? मैंने कहा कि अभी नहीं, बाद में. नहीं, हम फिर हमको आके माँ तो डांटेगी. मैंने बोला माँ नहीं, वो तो हम सबकी माँ है. You know what? In that whole laughter, there was so much of warmth. वो जो warmth था ना, वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. I said, wow, Ruchi, you've earned it. You've not just got like that.
Yeah,
You've
they
earned
make me
it.
feel so special on Mother's Day. Trust me,
Sachchi,
literally.
this is so good.
Yeah.
And I wish, like as I always say, कि ये बस बना रहे. पता है क्या, लोगों के प्यार से इंसान सक्सेस हो जाता है. बहुत.
So true.
Yeah.
So true.
So now coming to you, Ruchi, I mean, of course, I know his innovative ideas and what's there. I'm actually looking forward to what all his vision and mission is ahead. But Ruchi, like, abhi, this is a growing stage. Abhi dekho, after COVID,
Yes.
I think after 2022, things have taken off like
Absolutely.
10x हो गया है सब कुछ.
Absolutely.
इसमें आपको challenges feel हुआ है इस growth में? Did you feel there are certain challenges you're not able to cope up with? ऐसे कुछ लगता है आपको?
See, COVID was the biggest challenge.
Oh my God.
For all
Yes,
of us,
I think
right?
each one of us has
So
gone through
1
that.
month, I think they shut liquor. I mean, they prohibited liquor. In
Totally,
the first
yes,
month, we
yeah.
were running only on food, but we decided we'll not close it. Many restaurants they
Shut
closed.
down, many shut
Not
down. Good
shut
ones,
down,
big
not
ones.
shut down. They just closed it because the liquor was not allowed.
Yeah.
They said we can't run the
We
place.
can't run it.
But we decided, okay, let us
Let
do
us
it
just run
because
it.
our people were working. We had to
Yeah.
pay their
Pay them.
salaries,
Exactly.
and they feel good about
Yeah.
it. And then 3 months the complete shutdown.
Yeah.
So उससे बड़ा challenge तो कोई है ही
हो
नहीं.
ही नहीं सकता.
So if we had faced that challenge,
Any
I'm
challenge is
sure
like,
any
है ना?
challenge is like a,
Nothing.
cakewalk.
Yeah.
So yes, there are many, there are feedbacks, there are people, leaving us once,
हाँ.
our 3 of our chefs left at
Suddenly.
once,
हाँ.
salary लेके
हाँ.
चले गए, for no
Oh,
rhyme and reason.
reason you'll never
So,
come to know.
you are like, what to do now? But
Yeah.
luckily our team is so good. The other chef said, ma'am, sir, don't worry.
worry.
We
Exactly.
will manage. So ऐसे बहुत सारे challenges
Challenges
आए हैं
आते
कि suddenly कुछ हो गया and एक बार तो पूरा building का light was gone for 3 hours. But
On a Saturday.
luckily,
My God.
you call it good karma or fortune,
Absolutely.
fortune, whatever. But all our guests stayed. They said we will wait for the light to come.
Wow. This is something.
Almost 2.5 hours.
On a Saturday night.
On a Saturday.
How was it like a
It was
circuit
like
shut down?
some blast, something.
Some
and,
transformer blasted when.
Oh, okay.
So ऐसे I'm just telling you
Yeah, I
an
know,
incident, a
an
small.
incident,
It
but
might
then
be a
this is-
small incident,
No,
but
but
yes.
this is-
But the love people give us, they said
Yeah.
no, we'll wait for the
See,
light.
that is
There was
what
no
I-
music, there was no light, just chitter, people chitter,
And some
happening.
candles.
And then people are happy.
Yeah, and whatever our chefs could cook with hands and all, the
My
salads and all
God.
were coming. Obviously, the major cooking was not happening. But yes, so one of the incident. ऐसे challenges आते हैं, but when you believe in yourself and when you know that कुछ करना है, so you just go
कायनात
on.
भी साथ आ जाती है. It's
Superbly
like always
said.
like that. Yeah, always. वो कहते हैं
And
ना
they
जब
say you
जुनून
don't
हो.
carry back home, but we do carry back home. We do discuss. We talk about it, and that's how we आगे
So
बढ़ाते हैं गाड़ी को.
Release mechanism and recoup mechanism.
Totally, no? Totally. That
Yeah,
is
it's
how
not
it is.
that
Release and
we
recoup.
say yes to everything what
No,
he
no,
says and
of
I
course.
say. We
नहीं,
we
यार,
have,
फिर तो मजा ही क्या है
yeah,
life
we have
में?
lot of differences, but
No,
yes.
I was coming to that actually next, but and you preempted me on that question. So my thing that was going on in my mind is, touch wood, as I always say, stay blessed forever. That when you see a very happy couple and लोग पता क्या सोचते हैं, इनके तो अंदर कभी झगड़ा ही नहीं होता. So it's not about झगड़ा I mean, I think it's just not the term, but difference of opinion and agreeing to disagree.
Yes.
तो बहुत होना चाहिए. I feel for a healthy relationship, right?
Absolutely.
So ज़्यादा करके what are those pointers? I really want to know. कोई तो ऐसा टॉपिक होगा जिसमें ज़्यादा होता है. हर कपल में कुछ तो ऐसा होगा इस बात पे ज़्यादा होता है. तो कहाँ ज़्यादा अनबन होती है?
In fact ना अनबन क्यों कम होती है मैं बोलता हूँ.
हाँ, चलो let's take it that way. Good.
फिर वो कम क्या होता है फिर बात करेंगे. We are clear on one thing. When she comes to Just BLR,
बोलो what's coming.
अभी डंडा मारेंगे.
कोई नहीं. हाँ.
चलो
नहीं
हम
यार,
डंडा
बोलो यार.
खाएगा बोल देगा.
हाँ बोलना पड़ेगा यार ऐसे कैसे.
Just BLR is my baby. I am the boss there. She is the mother. I'm the grandfather.
I love it. That's the spirit.
घर आती
उल्टा.
she is the mother. I'm the grandchild.
Okay, that's a good one. Anand, that's a good one. So then she
तो इधर
becomes the boss.
मैं चुप घर में.
She becomes the boss. बिल्कुल ठीक है. So just BLR is आप वहाँ के बॉस हो घर पे भैया
Yes.
जो मैं बोलूँगी वो
Yeah.
होगा.
Yes.
But which is fine,
Not
yeah.
boss,
मतलब हाँ, वही.
मतलब in a way,
yeah, so we
correct.
have decided कि front में मैं ही रहूँगी because he has other lot of things to do, you know. So when he's in the middle of some work और वो जाके वहाँ पे अगर खड़ा हो जाए और कोई tension देखे, he gets more, you
I
know,
know, right.
triggered by it.
Triggered, हाँ.
So triggered by it. So I tell him आप अंदर बैठो, you do your work in your office. Let me be there. Let me hear, you know, if people have any feedbacks to give, or let me just check the stuff.
In simple words, she is the angel there. घर में क्या है मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. I mean super angel.
So I'm 90%,
I mean super angel.
No, so I'm 99% angel and 1% what he makes me.
Super angel.
वो अभी he is playing safe हाँ. 1% super angel ताकि जब podcast खत्म हो जाए तो मैं 1% तुमको बाद में कार में आके बता दूंगा.
एक घंटे के बाद 23 hours में ही तो भुगतना है.
I'm okay with that 1% being devil.
Yeah, absolutely. And I
No,
think that's a very
but
nice
jokes
side of all
apart,
of us.
he gives me that liberty, or rather, I take that liberty कि I am there. सामने से I check everything, and कुछ होता है तो I will tell him कि we need this improvement and all that. He's more into accounts में, you know, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है F&B में. It's not just one thing. So the major operations I look into कि क्या करना है. आज ये
Front
event
end
है.
she looks after.
हाँ, so आज
Back
ये
end I
event
look
है.
after. So we are clear on our what she does and what I do
Yeah.
at home and
अभी दिवाली
Outside
इवेंट
home.
करना है तो यू नो आई बी इन द फोरफ्रंट ये करो. अभी हैवी दिस फेक शादी यू नो सो ये होना है.
That's a very
ही
big
इज
thing
द
now.
फाइनेंस गाय. वो मतलब पति और बाप होता है ना विद फाइनेंसेस. ले लो पैसे.
पत्ते गिनो हम
दादाजी का काम सिर्फ चेक साइन करो बांटते जाओ.
हाँ, मैं भी अगली बार लाइन में
So,
लग जाऊंगी जब
yes.
चेक बांटेंगे ना, तो मैं वहाँ पे जाके पूरा डिस्गाइज करके खड़ी हो जाऊंगी.
और चीजों में आई डोंट इंटरफेयर हिम एट ऑल बिकॉज आई नो ही नोज ही इज into this business much before me.
Yeah,
He knows
he
more
knows,
than me,
yeah.
and I don't want to just
But
step
that's
into
the
his
reason,
shoes.
you know, when you give that right amount of space to each other.
Yeah.
You know, there are a lot
for
of people
sure.
who say
He's the
space.
bap.
Yeah,
He's
but
a goat.
Which-
So I don't want to touch that one at all. I do my work. If
Which is the right thing.
any
I guess.
suggestions, anything, any good for the restaurant, I tell him and he implements immediately.
And before she came, this wasn't home. Home was heaven, it's because of her. So she has all the liberty at home.
That's what he always tells me, you know. I was always working with a team, but वो कभी family नहीं था. With
Yeah.
you coming in,
Yeah.
it has become a
Yeah,
family.
that is fact. No, I mean that's what I think women
I think
do
that's
too.
what women does,
Women
right?
usually,
Not all.
yeah. I mean,
Not
yeah,
all.
of
Maybe
course. अभी we'll not get into that controversy. We'll not get into that controversy कि भैया और कौन था जिसने नहीं आपको घर फील कराया.